Good morning, children. Today we are going to talk about question number B from page number 17. C and D is done already. So, B number, we are going to learn a new thing today. I hope you have known about infinitives and gerunds. If not gerunds, then definitely you have learned about infinitives. Infinitives is, first of all, it is to plus main verb. For example, to plus dance, to plus paint, to plus find, like this. These are the infinitives. And on the other hand, what is a gerund? Gerund is actually, it is a verb, but it is acting like a noun. Is it clear? It appears to be verb, it appears like a verb, but it is actually a noun. For example, she dances. What is this? What is the verb here? The verb here is dance. Yes? Now, here it is verb. I'm just giving you this example to make you understand. She dances. This is a verb, but she loves dancing. What is our verb here? Don't be confused. Seeing that dance is also there and again loves is also there. Here our verb is loves, but dancing, it is our noun. Okay, the verb which acts like a noun is gerund, and gerund always ends in ing. Dancing, just now I said na, she loves dancing. Okay, now in question number B, what you have to do here is, see, look at the sentences and underline the gerunds and infinitives. First, I have told you the first part is done. Okay, you have to first see out in each of the question that which is acting, which is the gerund and which is the infinitive. For example, my grandmother dislikes shouting. Shouting, this is gerund. To find a hobby that you love is important. To find, to plus main verb, it is infinitive. So you got. Now it's easy for you. So the first part is done. Now the next thing which is needed for you is to see if it is acting as subject or if it is acting as object. Now if you see in the first two sentences, just nearby your picture, there is two examples given to you. Kiran enjoys dancing and Rani likes to paint. Now here in sentence 1 there is gerund, dancing. Okay, so this is the object. It is acting as the object of our verb enjoys. You might be little confused in this, so think properly that Kiran, we are talking about whom? What is our subject here? We are talking about Kiran. We are taking the first sentence. We are talking about the first sentence first of all. Okay, Kiran, we are talking about the subject. Kiran is our subject. We are talking about her. Now, what is the verb? What is her action? Her action is of enjoyment. She enjoys. Enjoys what? Now, when Kiran enjoys, now this act or this state of enjoying replies back to one word. It gives an answer. Okay, or it questions something. Enjoys what? And that is answered by the word dancing. If you see here, then it is written in sentence 1, the gerund dancing is the object of the verb enjoys. Our verb is enjoys, and so the enjoys object is dancing. Coming to next, Rani likes to paint. Rani is our subject, likes is our verb, So definitely it questions us, Rani likes what? So to paint is our infinitive and it is acting as object. Now let's see one more. Coming to number 1, she is pretending to sleep. Now I don't know why it is a mistake here. I think it's Steve. It is said here that look at the sentences and underline the gerunds and infinitives. It should have been not pretending, it should have been to sleep, because pretending is our verb and to sleep is our infinitive. It is the action of pretending leads to what? To sleep. She is pretending what? To sleep. So no doubt it is acting as object, but pretending is it should not be gerund, because pretending here it is a verb. Okay, anyways, you see number 2, dancing is good exercise. Here our verb is what? Our verb is not dancing. Don't confuse this, okay? Our verb is. Is what? Dancing. We are talking about dancing. So our verb's subject is dancing. It is appeared as subject here. Okay. Then my grandmother dislikes shouting. Dislikes. This is the activity. This is the action of disliking. Disliking what? Shouting. So this is acting as object. Then to find a hobby, here it is infinitive. To find a hobby that you love. So love is our verb. Love what? To find. So this is acting as object. Okay, you might be thinking that it might be acting as subject, but it is not. It is acting as object because it gives us an answer. If you question yourself, a hobby that you love is important. You love what? To find a hobby. Okay, so to find is our infinitive and it is acting as object. Like this, you do the rest of them and the final answers I'll be giving you. And if you have any doubt in any of this, after I give you the answer and you will evaluate this according to your understanding, then you can question me that why it is and why it is not. Okay, so you do these things and show me the answers, then I'll give you the final answers. Okay, thank you.